Hi, welcome to my channel. It's me, Akison Yawola. I'm super excited that you choose to learn from this channel. In this tutorial, we are going to explore how to use Canva on your smartphone, and also we explore the interface of Canva. Okay, if you are new to this channel, I would like you to consider subscribing to this channel and then make sure that your post notification bell is turned on so as for you to be the very first person to receive notifications of the videos I'll be uploading anytime soon. Okay, so I'm sure you must have done that. Okay, so now let's get started. All right, so there are two ways of using Canva on your phone. Either you make use of your web browser, or you download the application directly on your phone, either through app store if you are using iPhone, or you download it directly from Play Store if you are using an Android phone. Okay, all right, so then you can also make use of the application while using your web browser, as I have said earlier. So that's the two ways that you can make use of. Okay, all right, now, so although I have the application installed on my phone too, but I would like to make use of the web browser. Okay guys, I also have the application installed on my phone. Okay, but I love using the web browser, okay, to access my Canva, because it gets more faster than the app. Okay, and don't forget that Canva uses internet connection. Okay, so that's why I prefer using the web browser. Okay, all right, so now what you have to do if you want to use a web browser is to launch your web browser. It could be Chrome or Opera Mini or whatever web browser that you're using. Then you come to where we have the URL bar. Okay, then you type in canva.com. okay, then you hit enter. Automatically it will take you to the website. Okay, all right guys, my account is actually logged in. Okay, but for the sake of those who are yet to sign up for Canva, let me quickly log out. Okay, and I'll show you how to log in on Canva. Okay, all right, so let me sign out. Good. All right, okay, then now let me visit the URL again, canva.com. all right guys, you can see that I've been able to visit the website. Okay, and what else do I do is to click on sign up for free. Okay, if you are not yet, if you are yet to sign for Canva, okay, what you just have to do is to click on sign up for free. But if you have an account already, click on login. Okay, likewise, if you are using the application in your phone too, you also have the same thing popping up on your screen. Okay, so once you launch your application, to ask you to sign up, or to ask you to log in. Okay, so you do whichever one you prefer. All right, so let me click on sign up. Okay, then I will select whichever means I want to use to sign up. Okay, so I prefer to sign up with my Gmail. Okay, so I'll just impute a random Gmail. Okay, then I'll click on continue. Okay, let me impute this. I'll click on continue. Okay, then it will ask me to set a password. Okay, then after setting the password, and it will now lead you to it will probably give you send a kind of OTP to your provided email address, and it will ask you to verify your account. So after doing that, automatically your account will be verified, and then you will be logged into your account. Okay, I hope you understand that. So that's how to go about signing up for Canva. Okay, so now let me log in on my account. So let me log in my account. So good, awesome. So I've been able to log into my account now. Then once you get to the website, you're gonna see this kind of interface, all right, popping up. Okay, all these that we have on the screen, we have so many templates, okay, that Canva wants us to make use of. And then don't forget, there are so many things that you can use Canva for. You can use it for documents, you can use it for whiteboard, social media designs, presentation, videos, so many things that you can use it for. All right, but in the course of our tutorials, we'll basically be using it for graphic design. Okay, all right. So then we have, like I said, we have so many templates here that you can make use of. Okay, and then there's a need for me to tell you this, that there are two types of Canva. Okay, we have the free version and also we have the pro version. Okay, so I have the two, so let me switch to the free version. Okay, so I want to show you how the free version looks like. Okay, now you can see that when I clicked on the free version, it launches the application that I have on my phone, that is the Canva application that I have on my phone. Okay, so and then also if you want to maybe open any design that you've done earlier before, okay, it once you are using a web browser, okay, once you try to open it, it will go and launch the application that you have on your phone, and it might not like that. Okay, so there is a way to solve that problem. So what you're going to do is you go to your settings. Okay, you go to your settings. All right, then you go to where you have your apps. Okay, then you click on default apps. Okay, the settings might be different, so I need to just to check it out on your phone. Then you look for where we have opening links. Okay, you just click on it. Then you now look for Canva. Okay, you look for Canva. Good. All right, then you click on this you check mark this open supported link, just for you to off it. Okay, then what else do you do? So you can now head back to your Canva. Okay, I mean to the browser. Okay, all right, so having done that, it will help you to solve the problem of you of launching Canva application while trying to use your web browser, or while trying to open any designs that you've done or a template, okay, on your Canva while using the web browser. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Good. All right, so let me quickly walk you through the interface. Okay, so now you can see so many designs that we have on the interface. Okay, so if you like any of them, you can just click on them and then you edit it. Okay, you can see stories. Let's say if you want to use it for Instagram story and you like any of this, you can just click on it and then you edit. All right, so likewise Instagram photos. Okay, you can also click on them. They are templates. Okay, so you can also see logos here too. So you can see Instagram posters and some other you can also see Facebook post, invitation, then resume. You can see resumes which are for CV and all these things. Then you can see cards, invitation cards, business card, phone wallpaper, so many templates here. Okay, that you can click on and then you edit to your own taste. Okay, but we won't be doing any of that in this tutorial. We are going to do something much more better than these templates that we have on the screen. Okay, so what we are going to do is to click on the plus icon that we have here, but before we click on the plus icon, so you can also see another icon beside the home, which is titled project. All right, so you can click on it. So once you click on it, it enables you to open previous designs that you've made earlier. Okay, like this on title design that you have here is a design that I made earlier. So you can decide to open it. You can also decide to open some other template designs that you have here. Okay, so then you can also open a starred what is it called, a starred image, or a starred template, or whatsoever that you have earlier, or can also upload. You can also open your purchases, things that you purchase, okay, on Canva. Okay, so those are the things that you can do with that, and so many other things like that. Okay, then you also have folders here that you can open. You have your designs too. Okay, that's almost the same thing that I've said earlier. Okay, then what else do you do? So you also have what templates here. Okay, so these are what templates that we have on Canva. So many templates, so many of them that you can just click on and then you open. Okay, now let me say this: all these templates that you see with a kind of crown icon with a pro text written in front of it simply means that the design is or the template is a pro version. Okay, meaning that if you are using a free version of Canva, you can't access that kind of design. Okay, even if you try to access it, you might have issue exporting it, you downloading it on your phone, and also you might have issue with the picture or the design carrying Canva watermarks. Okay, hope you understand that. Okay, then you also have beside it is Canva Pro, so you can click on it to subscribe for Canva. Okay, you can click on it to subscribe for Canva. You can see it costs 2,800 naira per month. Okay, and then I can't really see the amount for the yearly version. Let me see. Okay, the yearly payment or cost to 23,900. okay, you can see it's a huge amount, but not too huge. Okay, because if you have it, you definitely make your money. Okay, all right, don't worry, you guys, we won't be getting Canva Pro at this huge amount. Okay, there's a way we'll go about it, so I'll be over to you. Okay, all you just have to do is come to my DM and then tell me that you need Canva Pro, so I'll see how to be of. Okay, now what else do we do now? Next thing is we want to start to create a design. So what you do is to click on the plus icon. Okay, then once you click on it, it enables you to select any of the suggested format or sizes that we have here. You can see for document, for videos, all these things are what they have their sizes. Okay, but you can now decide to use a custom size. Okay, so in this tutorial I'll be using custom size, so you click on custom size. Okay, then one thing I always like to do is I love working with inches, so you can now change this to inches. Okay, all right, then here I'll put 10 on the width, and I also put 10 on the height. I want to create a kind of square format design. Okay, then you click on create new design. Okay, all right, so then you can see that Canva is coming up. Okay, all right, okay, all right, so now you see we still have some other templates still showing up. Okay, you can see these are templates, but we won't be using them. Okay, these are templates. I'll just take it down like this. I don't need templates. Okay, what I just need to do now is let me walk you through. These are templates. Okay, so we are not using them. So then this is style. So under the style we have color combinations, like maybe you're having issue combining colors. Okay, so you can use the style here to go about selecting colors, okay, that matches with each other. Okay, and also we have font text. Okay, so if you don't know how to combine fonts, you can also make use of this. Okay, let me do this. Let me take the first one. Okay, let me take this. You can see the fonts that we have there. Okay, let me see something else. Let me see this, the second one. So you can see that's another font entirely. So all these three fonts now, you can match them together and then use them in design. Okay, you also have color palettes. All right, so the colors too, you can select the color, so you can see that the color what changes. Okay, all right, so that's, I think that's all right. So good. All right, then what else? Then the next on the line is elements. Okay, so you have elements. So under the elements, we have so many things. We have arrows, we have lines, we have circle, we have square, we have so many other things, so many things. Okay, so under the elements too, you can also search for images. Okay, you just click on the search bar, so you can now search for whatever you want. Let me search for businesswoman. Okay, you can see that it will bring out so many images. Okay, you can see as you click on graphics, it will give you kind of, you know, what is graphic something. Okay, then if you click on photos, to bring out a human images for you. Okay, so you can select whichever of the image that you want. Okay, you also have videos, so you can also select videos if you need a video. So audio, you have frames, you have so many other things like that there, so you can take your time to explore it. Okay, good. All right, so the next one on the line is upload. Okay, so you can upload anything on Canva. You can upload your image, you can upload videos, you can upload audios. Okay, let's say for instance you want to do a design and the image that you want is not available on Canva. Okay, what you do is to make sure, all right, let's assume you want to create a design. Okay, and you don't have the picture on Canva, so you just have to do is to click on upload. So you click on upload file. So then you can select your device. You can also upload from Facebook, you can also upload from Google Drive. So just have to connect, okay, your Canva to your Google Drive. Okay, you can also upload from Dropbox and also from Instagram. Okay, so I'll suggest you go with your device. If you have the image on your device, so you click on it, then to take you to your folder, so you can just select the image that you want. So in this video I'm not selecting any image. Okay, then the next one is tests. All right, so you can type. Okay, it enables you to type. Okay, you can see add a text box, so you can see that it added a text box for me, so I can increase the size and then I can type whatsoever that I want. Let me just type La Vista. Okay, good. So I can change I can edit it. You can see edit. You can also see font, so I can edit the font. Okay, I can change the fonts to whatever fonts that I want, so I can do that. Then what else can I do? So you can see text style. Okay, so I can also make use of the text styles too, and then I can also change the font size. You can see, use this to increase the font size. Okay, then what else? Color, so I can apply any color that I want. Okay, you can apply any color that I want. Okay, then what else? You have formats, so I can bold it. Okay, I can underline it. I can do so many things. Don't worry, as we move on in the tutorials you get to know more better on how to use Canva. Okay, you also have spacing, maybe like text spacing, letter spacing, line spacing. Okay, so you can do those. Then you also have anchor text box. Don't worry, you get to know that better. Then what else? You also have effects. Okay, so you can add a kind of effect to your text, shadow, whatever. You can just you can also see this is a new effect. So you can also add shape. Okay, you can make your text to be in form of a shape. Okay, don't worry, you get to know this more better. All right, then what else? So Then we have animate. Okay, you can give it animation, so you can animate it. Okay, but we won't do that yet. Then what else? Can you see transparency? So you can increase the transparency, and so then what else? Trying to rush the video. Then you can also use the layer. So you see the layers, so you can see, okay, everything you put on Canva has its own layer. Okay, you can see this is for the background, this is for the heading text, this is for the subheading, this is for the body text, and this is for the la vista that I just curved. Okay, all right. So then what else? We have position. Okay, position. So you can let me do this. So you can take this text backward. You can send it back. You can send that now under the heading. Okay, so you can also bring it forward. Okay, you can see, so you can bring to front. So you can do so many things. You can also align. Okay, you can align. See, align. You can align to the center, to the top, middle, whatsoever. So you can take your time to explore more better. Then we have the notch. Okay, like you want to move, this is what that's the function of that. Okay, then what else? So we also have comments, like you want to add a comment that, okay, let me add this comment to use this format. Okay, it's the kind of comment. Okay, like say for instance you have like two persons working on the design, so you can leave a comment for your counterpart, your fellow colleague, okay, that you're working together on the design. Okay, all right. You can see once you click on it, you can see the what is it called? All right. Now what else? So you have more. So many things like that. So you have copy. So you can use this to copy. Then you can also paste. Okay, you can see that you now have double of it. Then you can select multiple. Okay, select multiple. Just click on it and you select the elements that you want to select, and you can see that the number will keep on increasing as you keep on selecting. Okay, then after you select finish, then you can add comment to it. You can bring forward, you can send back, you can you can do so many things. Then you can group. Okay, you can group them, because you can see that I've grouped, you can see I've grouped them. Okay, then you also have ungroup, so you can have ungroup them back. Okay, so you can also lock them. Once you lock them, they won't be able to move. Okay, so you can click back the padlock icon to unlock. Okay, I hope you understand what I did. Okay, I locked it. Okay, and I also click back the padlock to unlock. Okay, then what else? Let's see. You can also see download section, so you can click on, once you click on download section, everything that is selected, download selection, all that you've selected, once you click on it, it will download. Okay, you can either download as PNG, on your smart phone. Okay, you can see transparency as it is now. The transparency version requires me to have a pro version. Okay, so there's so many things that you won't be able to do with the free version of Canva except you're using the pro version. Okay, so it is very, very essential. You want to get the best result and you want to design professionally, for you to get Canva Pro. Okay, so you can get back to me on that, so I'll help you out. Okay, then what else? So many things like that, so many things. Okay, then now I think we're done with, I've trashed that. Then what else? Okay, all right, so you also have the draw. Okay, so under the elements, so you also have the draw, so you can draw anything that you want. Okay, you just have to, so you can see me drawing. Okay, you can see, you can draw. Okay, and you can also increase the width, of what you want to draw. Okay, you can see so many things that you can do with it. All right, so then think this is project, like if you want to open a project. Okay, that's that. And you also have apps. Okay, these are integrated apps. Okay, there are some integrated apps. There are some apps that works with Canva, so many of them, so you can use them. Like this QR code, you can attach a kind of QR code to your design. Okay, you can also integrate Google Drive, emojis, YouTube, so many things. You can also take your time to try them. Okay, so you have Pixels, Pixabay. These are websites where you can download images. Okay, so you can integrate them on your Canva. Okay, for smooth work. All right, so then I think that's all that for there. So then now let's move back to the tools that we have up here. It escaped my mind to explain them. All right, so now we have the home tool. If you click on it, it will take you to your home. Okay, to take you home. Then this is let's click on it. You can see it will take you back to Canva home. Okay, see. So I know I didn't supposed to do that. So let's see if I can go back. Yeah, takes me back to my design. Okay, good. All right, so now you can undo and redo. Okay, this helps you to undo. Let me assume I want to take this somewhere here, take this somewhere here, take this somewhere here. Okay, so the undo arrow is to undo what you've actions that you've taken, while this other arrow is to redo. Okay, that's the function. And then this three dotted line that we have here, it has its own functions too, so many other things. So once you click on it, it helps you to create a new design, it helps you to import files, it helps you to resize your design. It helps you to save, to folder, make a copy, download, share, so many things like that. Don't worry, as we move on in our tutorial, we'll explore more of those things. Okay, all right, then what else again? I think this crown again is just for you to sign up for the pro version. Okay, and then this the last icon that we have here is a share icon. It enables you to share. It helps you to download your design. It also helps you to share the link to your design. So it also helps you to maybe you want to email your design. So it helps you to email it, and it helps you to invite people to view the design. It helps you to present the design, and then copy to clipboard, QR code, download selection, and some other things like that. So don't worry, we'll explore more. Okay, we'll explore more. Okay, then what else? So I think that's all we need to know here. But lastly, there's one thing that we yet to touch, which is this two square that we have here. Okay, the double square that we have here. Okay, it enables you to can see to view your designs. Okay, it enables you to view your designs in a kind of grid format like this. Okay, so let's see these view settings. Okay, so I'll suggest you go with show page thumbnails. Okay, you can see that it brings my thumbnails here. So you can see I can create, once I click on the plus icon, it enables me to create more design pages. Okay, more pages. Okay, so then I can delete a page. I can also duplicate a page. I can add a page. Okay, then I can also hide a page. Okay, once I hide it, once I want to download the designs automatically, I won't be able to download the ones that I've just hidden. Okay, you can also add notes. You can also change color for your background. You can see I've changed the color to something else. Okay, so many things like that. Okay, I think that's all we need to cover in this tutorial. I'm sure you must have learned something. Okay, if you have learned one or two things from this video, I would like to recommend to you that you make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and then make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and make sure that your post notification bell is turned on, so as for you not to miss any of the videos I'll be uploading anytime soon. Thanks for staying with me. I'll see you in the next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye.